welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my garden. So today it is about 85 degrees out and dew points are in the 60s. I had the heat on 2 days ago and now I feel like I want to turn the air conditioning on. Welcome to spring in Wisconsin. So I'm going to take advantage of this warm weather and I'm going to transplant my pepper plants. They should have been transplanted a couple weeks ago, but I just haven't had time to do it. They're really quite the same as transplanting tomatoes with one or two exceptions, so let me show you that. So here are my pepper plants. These are the containers that I seeded them in. And they are definitely ready to be transplanted. Normally I transplant when they have their second set of true leaves start to emerge. That's my rule. Don't ask me where I got that. I just picked it up along the way. So as soon as the second set of true leaves comes in, then I transplant. Now on these peppers, so on this plant, these are the cotyledon leaves or the seed leaves. First set of leaves, second set of leaves here. First set of leaves, second set of leaves, third set of leaves are coming in. But you can see on this root ball, the roots are just starting to come out here. Good root development, but not root bound or pot bound. I managed to make these last a little longer, but they'll definitely benefit from transplanting. So here is the container I'm using. This pepper is called a Cajun Belle. And here is the size of the pepper plant. So it's going to have a lot of growing room before I put it in the ground. I've got at least probably 3 weeks before the peppers go out in the garden. So I'm going to set that down gently. Fill the pot up. I just pat it down lightly. Set that in there. And just tap it down. There you go. It's that simple. You want to kind of keep the soil depth at the same depth as the seedling, and that'll be fine. So I am going to do the rest of these. One of the things that's different with peppers is if you have two seeds in the same cell, I tend to leave them because I think peppers almost grow better with a friend, if you want to say that. So I just leave them together because they just grow fine together. Now this isn't a fruit bear, I mean it bears fruit, but it's a decorative type pepper. So it doesn't really matter if it has two plants the same, but even some of my bell peppers, they do really well when they're grown together like that. So that's another difference with the peppers. There we go. Okay, so there they are, all planted up. I don't plant nearly as many peppers anymore. I used to, but not anymore. I only have 13 pots available, so what do I have here? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 plants. 6 of those are rainbow bell, so I know I'll be able to give those away. So that is my transplanting of my peppers done. So here are my tomatoes. They're getting quite big. I just watered them, so they're all falling over. Quite big. Transplanting these tomatoes, just let them take off because they have so much more room. And a few of these probably need bigger pots. So I may have to pot them up again because I don't know if they'll be able to last in these pots for another 2 weeks or 3 weeks, depending on the weather. We'll see. Let me know in the comment section below what pepper varieties you're growing this year, or what pepper varieties are your favorites. I do a combination of bell peppers, hot peppers, either a jalapeno or that Cajun bell that I showed you earlier, that's a spicy sweet pepper. And then I also like to do decorative peppers, which I discovered not that long ago. So let me know what your favorites to grow are, and how are your peppers doing so far this year. All right, until next time, everybody, have a great week, and we'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye-bye.